In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom properties in Klaviyo in a complete walkthrough. Custom properties are a powerful way to personalize and refine your marketing strategies, allowing you to tailor communication to meet the specific interests and needs of your audience. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to seamlessly add these properties to your customer profiles. Let's start by accessing your Klaviyo account. The first thing you need to do is log into your Klaviyo account using your credentials. This platform is where all the magic of targeted marketing happens, so make sure you're comfortable navigating the dashboard. Once you're logged in and familiarized with the interface, look to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find the audience section, which is where you need to go next. Click on the Profiles tab. This section allows you to manage, view, and modify your audience's profiles, providing you with rich data to enhance your marketing strategies. Now let's move on to selecting a customer profile. To do this, you need to find a specific customer whose profile you want to edit or enrich with custom properties. You have a few options for searching. You can use their name, email address, or phone number, whatever is most convenient for you. Once you locate the profile, click on it to open the customer's information page. This is where you'll add custom properties, and you'll see just how this information can enhance your understanding of customer behavior. We now come to adding a custom property manually. Scroll down to the information section on the customer's profile page. This is where you'll want to focus. You'll see an option labeled Add Property. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter the details for your new custom property. You'll notice a field for the property name. Here you can get creative and choose a name that best fits the data you're about to add. It could be something like birthday, favorite color, or last purchase, whatever aligns best with the information you're planning to track. Next, select the appropriate data type for this property. Klaviyo supports various data types such as text, number, boolean, or date. Your choice here depends on the kind of information you're entering. For instance, if it's a birth date, you'll select date, whereas if it's a preference like favorite color, text would be your go-to. Once you've determined the data type, it's time to enter the property value. This could be anything from a color like blue to a truth value like true or a number like 25, whatever information you're recording. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This is crucial as it stores the custom property into the customer's profile, ensuring that all your thoughtful additions are permanently saved and readily available for future use. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom property in Klaviyo, adding a new layer of depth and personalization to your marketing efforts. I hope this step-by-step guide has been clear and informative, and you feel empowered to leverage this feature to enhance your marketing strategies. Thank you for watching and happy marketing.